Oh wow. Yeah, that is nice.
Is that from Grandma? What'd you find? Oh!
Hey, that vent's off over there.
Oh, yeah.
Presley, come get a present.
We'll get another one.
Carson, come here, buddy.
What's up there? Carson, you see this? Nope.
Nope.
Everybody? Okay. No, that's mine. Look, Presley. You want to open this one? Look here. This is from Grandma Celia. Look here. Want to open it? Oh, it's Just Dance. Oh, this paper's harder. There.
You can. You're welcome. You can take that TV that's on. You know that TV that was in the kitchen that's up on the top. You can put that in your room with the Wii,
Yeah.
so that nobody sees you dancing.
Except for us. Oh, Presley. Look
Except with the hidden camera. Oh, that's cute.
Is that a new jacket? Fuzzy?
That's really cool. Who's that from?
My mom.
Oh wow. No. Oh wow, look at that one.
And a little VFs that match.
Mom,
There's a little lace bow.
Grandma bought me a $50 iTunes card.
Nice.
Jesus. Did you get an iTunes card in your thing?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, your stocking was really fancy, but she didn't like it. Everybody in the world that watches YouTube that sees this video. I can't believe you weren't that excited at all.
I am. I'm just so distracted.
No, I know, but the first time you came in the bedroom, when you're claiming you told me, "Hey, Presley, get off of your presents."
She said, those aren't mine. Those are Carson. Get off of them. Do you want to open it? Carson, let's open this one. What's in here? You want to see? I love how when you put something in the old thing goes fine. Uh-oh. Stand up.
What do you do?
Get off that.
Presley, get off of Carson's presents.
I thought he needed a clean diaper, but he doesn't. Here you go. Oh. Some movies and some cheeses. Oh my gosh, Ellie has one of these.
Presley,
What is it, sweetie?
those are your brother's presents.
Yeah, but Alex, you have to remember, she has no friends.
Alex, maybe you could wait before you open everything so we can see.
It's all opened.
You've opened everything already. But...
Oh, sorry. You have one more.
Slow down so you can see
I only had 6 gifts.
Whoa! Oh! We got that one on video.
Yes.
That was karma. If you would have hit your head, it would have been more realistic.
Presley, come here. You want to open that one? No, this one's. Oh, this one's for Carson. Carson, can you pull the paper off? Presley, hey. Pull it off. Presley, let's open it. Right here. Good job. Open. Here, pull this off too. Oh, thank you. Help me with that one. That's Carson's. What did you get?
There went the present.
Ooh.
Ooh, Adidas.
Look at that.
Dude, those are big too.
You ready?
He can wear that.
We got a one. It says 12 months. But it'll definitely fit in now.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Or even a little later. It's kind of big.
You want me to take it out?
That's it.
Take it out. Thank you.
Dad, your movies? Movies?
Okay, Carson, is that a good Christmas?
Look, here's another one.
Oh yeah, we got the Little Tykes Playhouse too.
Look at this one from Grandpa John. This is a big kid's book stuff. Oh, look.
Whoa. Oh, we got these little guys. And I got this Power Wheels at Walmart for 40 bucks. I modified it a little. I didn't put on a few parts. Oh, and the table.
Grandma got
And
me a
chairs.
$50 iTunes card. Oh, yeah.
Hi,
Fancy wallet.
Presley. Presley.
Show Daddy what you got.
Presley, let me see the ball.
And there's clothes.
I don't want that.
Yeah.
There's a couple of
Oh, it's for me. Okay.
Oh.
Oh,
Took it right from her.
that's for Presley.
Carson, that's Presley's toy.
This one's
Oh,
closed.
whack.
I want to open that so that I can show it to it. And then it'll stop piping.
Give it back, Carson.